Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to change display language in Alipay. The first step we need to do is open our app. Okay, once we open our app, we're gonna log in until we see this screen right here. In this part right here below in the app, you're going to click profile. Okay, this icon right here. We're gonna click this, and right here you can see uh, some options. We're going to click this button right here, and then we're gonna click this option called general. And once we click this option right here, you can see this uh, option called language. We're gonna click, and right here we can select our language that we want, and there you go. It's really easy. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and subscribe.